Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachman, and today we have a walkthrough video on a pre-owned 2018 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage, light gray hull side with black graphics. The boat is in extremely nice condition. So let's step aboard and take a look. It is powered by twin 225 horsepower Mercury Verado 4-stroke outboards. Amazingly quiet and refined performance. Pull-out boarding ladder. Rod holders across the transom. Do have a little tackle storage area in the port quarter. You can see the leaning post live well. Of course, being a whaler, very functional and integrated seating. Pulls right out there. Comfortable seating on the way to the fishing grounds and fold it up for a wide open cockpit. Full electronic package, twin 12-inch Garmin autopilot. It's got the Vessel View 7 for engine data, digital controls. You have a Garmin VHF up in the electronics box. Moving up to the console. Got the bow cushions in there right now, but full console, very easy to access, as well as storage. Anchor windlass, very nicely laid out bow area. Of course, we can put the cushions in there. We do have more cooler storage integrated into the floor, and full JO audio package as well. And finishing up, we do have some tackle storage, leaning post, and twin macerated fish boxes. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. This is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. Thanks. Have a great day.